So what's up to the camera, nigga? What's your name, nigga?
Jameer at Joker.3.
What's your name, man?
Hey, dog, we tried to jump up that shit. We would have never made, dog. We would have died right here. Look how hot this shit is.
But right now, currently I'm sitting here, I'm bullshitting. Just pulled up to my uncle's house. We're about to get ready to go to the gun range shortly. I got to. No! So that's what I'm about to go do. Peace. Alright, so right now, I'm done shit. My brother had rolled up a little bit, so I'm about to just hit this a few times and then we're about to get ready to go to the gun range. That's all we're doing right now for the most part. I'll just see how when we get to the gun range. Alright, so right now we're at the gun range. Let's see what's going on. So right now I'm about to load my magazines. That's what we're shooting on my end. I believe every other firearm is a 9mm. So I'm loading these up. These shits get hard loading at the minute, bro. Now I'm about to see what everybody else doing for real. It's kind of hard to hear these. So. Ready to shoot?
I already shot, nigga. I told you I went 6 for 6.
Stop the cap.
You was breaking, cuz?
Probably doing the same.
Not bad. I just, bro, it's been a minute since I shot. A little ass. They asser than me, though.
Say, fire that shit up, trees.
That bit feel.
How many I get? 4 out of
4 out of 6?
4 out of 12.
4 to 12?
Skedaddle! Get the fuck out of here!
Dang, brother, I don't know. I don't know if I just don't like this ammo or what.
Nigga, got to
Alright, I gotta stop trying to pop it. Did you see the tip on that one?
be. Huh?
That one right there?
What about it?
It didn't have a tip to it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Like the tip was gone.
How the fuck did that happen?
I know I'm not tripping. It's that one right there. The tip one on it. There's no tip on that. It didn't shoot. I just popped that out. Unless like it shot, but the casing didn't eject. And that's what was left behind, the casing.
Nigga, I don't know. There you go. It's getting stuck. So the casing getting stuck. Why though?
That was actually. That's the bullet. I don't know, cuz.
Nigga, I'm about to shoot some defense rounds.
Am I doing something wrong with your gun? I don't know.
Huh?
Am I doing something wrong?
Possibly, nigga.
I don't think I am.
That bitch worked for me, nigga.
It did. It worked for everybody. Why y'all get the bad luck?
Yeah, them shit is getting stuck like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I think it might be the ammo, brother.
That might be bad ammo, Shane. I'm about to go get the defense ammo because I don't know why the fuck gun is jamming, but I really think it's the shitty ass ammo. I ain't even gonna lie. Take these, see if it make a difference.
That shit went right back at me.
How you feeling? My gun does not like weekend.
I think we ain't done yet.
I
I think we ain't done yet.
I don't like Gucci bullshit. This some ass, cuz. This ammo ass.
Don't buy that shit for MP57.
Huh?
Don't buy that shit for your MP57.
Hell no.
That shit ain't gonna work. Bro, fuck, I'm not really moving. I might be dipping it. Dipping it, I'm just shooting high. What it look like? Is I shooting high?
Look like your ass was missing, cuz. So what we working with, Shane? Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Too low. Too low.
Way too low. That was too low. I'm trying to see what the hell you even shooting at. Way too low. Way too low. There ain't no more gun. There ain't no more bullets.
Oh, okay.
Damn, I missed everything.
It's okay, man.
I'll tell you what that gun.
The Spartans take a little more training,
That
bro.
gun snappy as hell, bro.
The Spartans take more training to get used to.
Yeah, nigga.
Had a big ass.
Don't keep that concealed.
Had a big ass full size gun. Niggas probably hitting everything.
But I hit more with this cannon than
That bitch got the
That
dot
one.
for extra help.
huh?
That shit got the dot for extra help.
Facts though. I need to shoot that motherfucker again. Go ahead, my business. Hey.
Fix it right at the end. That's just crazy.
It's all gravy, man.
Right at the end.
It's all gravy. Oh shit, we need to get on the road. Peace.
Love you, dog.
Love you too. Alright, Shy. Appreciate it. Alright, bro, I see you.
That's all, folks.